In this video, I will show you how to use Noodle Tools when you need to fill in the fields that Noodle Tools provides for you, rather than using a pre-formatted citation to copy and paste, like from the databases. Be sure to have your source open in one tab and your Noodle Tools project in another. In my project here at Noodle Tools, I want to create a new source. Click on the green button that says Plus New Source. The two questions to ask when making any type of citation are, where is it? Where is the source being held? What is the source, or what kind of source is it? In the example, the source is a website. As I look at it, I see it's a news article located on the National Archives News website. The news website is part of a larger site at the National Archives. Go back to Noodle Tools and select Website, then Web Page. Noodle Tools has some free tools that can be very helpful. One of them is the Show Me Source Check slides. This particular one is, what is a website? Slide 13 talks about how to cite a web page. It provides you the items you need to collect to create a citation for a website source. In the image, the slide shows where you might find these elements on a website. Return to Noodle Tools and click Continue. Noodle Tools has provided the fields to fill in for an article from a website. The first field is the URL. Go back to the article and copy the URL. At Noodle Tools, paste the URL in the correct field. Next, what is the date of publication? On the website, here is the publication date, September 21st, 2020. Enter that into the field at Noodle Tools. Next is the most recent date of access. The most recent date of access is the date that you last accessed it. Since I'm accessing it today, I'm going to click Today, and the field is filled in automatically. The next field is where we will put contributors, the author, editor, or translator, to the article. Go back to the article. It does have an author. Her name is Victoria Maki. Copy the name and at Noodle Tools, paste, choose the role, and paste the first and last name in the fields provided. If there is more than one contributor, use the blue button with the plus sign to the right to add contributors and their roles to the citation. The next fields are asking for the web page or document title, article title, the name of the website, and the publisher of the site. In our example, we can see that the title of the article is In Memoriam Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, 1933 to 2020. Copy and paste the title into the correct field at Noodle Tools. The name of the website is the National Archives News. Right. Copy that and paste it into the correct field at Noodle Tools. The publisher of the site is the United States National Archives and Records Administration. Copy that and paste it into the correct field. If there are contributors to the site as a whole, you can also add them to the citation. That completes filling the fields in for the website citation. At the top right, click the Save button. The website source is now added to your citations. Another helpful tool is that you can view the live web page from your project because the URL was added to the citation. This is useful to find the site again if you need to. Remember, you can always use the three dots to the right of your citation to edit, copy, add an attachment, delete, find out how this source will look for an in-text citation, or ask for help.